Welcome to our channel. Today we how to change Instagram account category, business profiles. Open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the correct account. Go to your profile by tapping your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner to open settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap account type and tools. If you are not on a professional account yet, tap switch to professional account. Choose business when Instagram asks you to pick between creator and business. Tap next to continue to the category selection screen. On the category list, use the search bar to quickly find the best match for your brand. Tap the category you want, such as entrepreneur, clothing store, restaurant, or personal blog. Tap done or next to confirm the category choice. When asked, decide if you want to display the category label on your profile. Turn on display on profile if you want people to see your category under your name. Turn it off if you want a cleaner profile look without the category text. Now return to account type and tools to verify that you are on a business account. To change the category later, go back to your profile and tap Edit Profile. In Edit Profile, find the section called Category. Tap Category and select a new category from the list. Tap the check mark or Done to save the new category. Go back to your profile and confirm the category changed correctly. Next, tap Edit Profile again to review your public business information. Tap Contact Options and add a business email so customers can reach you. Add a business phone number only if you want calls or WhatsApp messages. Add an address if you have a physical location that customers can visit. Tap Save to store your contact details. Go to Settings and Privacy and open Business Tools and Controls. Connect your Facebook page if Instagram suggests it, because it helps with ads and integrations. Review your profile bio and name to make sure they match your selected category. Post or update one piece of content to ensure your profile looks active and trustworthy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.